I'm not using these mats, but hello, Nicola from Creative West Aussie. This is the sample of what I was copying. Now I did some trialing and I've come up with a layout, but the bits I received from my consultant maker, I put a mark on just there. So I'm working out a way to use what I received but cover that up. So I'm thinking this periwinkle cardstock in the background and the periwinkle glitter over the top to hide that smudge. Now this is from the COSETTE range, which is the April-June collection for Close to My Heart. The first month, every month they do, every quarter they do one different design a month. And I loved the COSETTE paper so much that I didn't want to waste it. So I am using this Distress Oxide, which is Faded Jeans, because it goes really well with it. I'm going to do some blending in the background. Now notice I start in the middle. That is so that if I have any dark bits, I can blend out gradually. But I'm not sure how big to make it. So see, look, wasn't even wide enough. So I just keep blending out without adding too much ink. I decide to edge it. I'm using New England Ivy, but the current colour is Pine that's been printed with. Now I'm going to squish the lid and use my watercolour pen just to colour in the lilies or flowers. I'm not sure what kind of flowers they are. And that doesn't take me long at all. This is in double time. Just clean that off, and I'm going to swap over to the New England Ivy, which is a discontinued colour, but I still use my discontinued inks. Just prepping that, and I'm going to colour these in. I think they look nice coloured in. Well, I was hoping they would look nice as I was doing it, and I'm really happy with the end result. So you see I move my card and my sentiment around so that I don't smudge the ink. And this is just a great way to get extra mileage out of your inks. I probably should clean the lids off after, but I sometimes come back to them to redo things, and I think even on here I might have missed something and came back to it after. So when I'm completely finished, I clean it off, but I don't as I go. Just cleaning off the block there. I did, while I was chatting before, cut that piece of card down that I'm going to glue down now. And before I was just showing you the, I think it's called WATERFALL glitter gel. Because I'm using the cardstock glitter, periwinkle, which matches the card, I'm thinking I want to add more glitter to my flowers. I'm just gluing this down. I'm not making it dimensional, but you could if you wanted to. I decide just to I'm going to make the flowers dimensional. So this is the cardstock. I'm just hand measuring it. I've decided to go all the way to the edge, and I'm just using my guillotine to cut it, and I cut a second piece off screen, and I'm going to glue that down. And that's where I'm thinking my flowers will look nice over the top. So I want them higher. Oh, here we go, using my glitter. Now this I have to set aside to dry because it dries a bit clearer. But I'm now going to glue those down while I'm waiting for that to dry. I'm going to use my Versamat to make sure that these are lined up properly because I just eyeballed it. And there's nothing worse than afterwards finding out that it's wonky once it's dry. And that's what I love about that glue, is that you can do that. So there you go. I haven't put the lilies down yet because I'm worried that they're not dry properly. But off screen prior to this, I actually made another set of flowers. So here they are. I think they're nice too. Oh, either's good. Either's lovely. So I'm going to, there you go, dimension these ones instead, because I know they're dry enough. Otherwise I will smudge all that glitter gel And then I'll be a bit cross with myself because another thing I have to try and fix. But it all turns out good. I like it a lot. So thanks to Rebecca Cheshire, my maker or consultant. I'll put her information in the description so that if you'd like to order anything through her from this current catalogue or the core catalogue, just press her link and it will take you straight to her. I don't get anything for doing this, but she's been my consultant for a long time. And I'm just going to stamp the back as I usually do with my little stamp that says handmade with love. And I'm really happy with that. That turns out quite nice. So I'll say bye for now. Till next time.